Good morning, babes. My name is Jasmine. If you've never been to my channel, we getting right into it. So today is February the 15th. It's a day after Valentine's. So, you know, if I ate crazy bag yesterday, all the chocolate, all the donuts, all the cupcakes, everything. And had a nerve to eat Taco Bell. Like, what is wrong with me? Anyway, so we are trying our best to really, I'm sorry, as I'm talking, got a YouTube comment. We're trying our best to really like slim down before the summertime. I want to at least lose 10 pounds, y'all. So anyway, today we're focusing on glutes though. And just for the remainder of the few months, I really want to focus on a calorie deficit, and I kind of want to just take you guys along on this journey. And because my main problem is my eating, so yeah, that's a whole nother discussion. But today, like I said, we're gonna just do glutes. We're gonna go super heavy, super hard. This is kind of what I'm doing today. I'll put it on the screen as well. We're going heavy. We doing squats, going hold, stand, goblets, hip thrust, leg press, and a landmine squats. We're gonna go in and we're gonna go heavy. Then we're gonna close it out with just the incline treadmill. Just try to keep your cardio in. You don't have to do too much. I just do 10 to 15 minutes on the cardio machine after I lift heavy, because you're pretty much already exhausted after that. Yeah, so let's get into it, y'all. Like I said, thank you for tuning in. Let's get it.
Calling me baby, better say my name. The other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you're acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. I need you to tell the truth. If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What's up with this? Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? Don't try to change it now. Seeing you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Around you. Say, baby, I love you. Ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if ain't nothing changed. I love you if you ain't running game. Baby, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Yeah.
Last one. Last one.
Get up. Stop.
My life will never be the same. 'Cause girl, you came and changed the way I walk, the way I talk. I cannot explain the things I feel for you. But girl, you know it's true. Stay with me, fulfill my dreams, and I'll be all you need.
It was a pretty good workout. I was pretty good. I went pretty heavy. I wasn't able to show you guys the hip thrust and the finisher because it was people around the equipment and I didn't want to record. So yeah, we're done. Now I'm just gonna show you kind of guys what I'm gonna eat in a day. You know, kind of like high protein meals and snacks and stuff. So yeah, but yeah, got a pretty good pump, y'all. Pretty good pump. So some breakfast ideas that I like to eat. I'm not eating all of this, but I want to show y'all some ideas. So I'm about to eat this right now while I'm cooking. This is the Core Power Elite chocolate. This has 42 grams of protein. A good tip is just kind of like load all your protein in the earlier parts of the day, like your breakfast and your lunch. Try to get as much protein as you can, especially after you just worked out. So I'm also, today was a heavy lift day, so I'm also gonna have some oatmeal, a good source of carbs. I just do the Quaker oats. This is also another good idea, is the, what is it, Kodiak Thick and Fluffy Power Waffles. This has 10 grams of protein in it. Tastes really good. And I got these chicken sausage patties. This has 12 grams of protein per 2 patties. So also, if you're really kind of sensitive to milk, I guess you can do the organic nutrients juice. I mean shake. That's another good brand if you're gonna be sensitive to Fairlife. So what else? Also, I have the powder as well. If I'm making a protein shake, I'll just put this in there. So this is also good to put in with your fruits. This is just the bottle, and I actually put this in my coffee. I'm gonna show y'all that later. But yeah, so like I said, loading up on protein early in the morning. And I'm gonna make my oatmeal. I'm gonna have oatmeal and chicken patties, and I'm just making my boyfriend some waffles. But yeah, this literally, it tastes so good. It tastes like chocolate milk. 42 grams of protein, you can't freaking beat it. Like, I just want to show y'all how thick these damn waffles are. Look how thick these waffles are. This is gonna fill you up, like, serious. I'm not eating these today. Well, I might. I think I may have a waffle instead of oatmeal. Yeah, I may have just waffles. Still drinking my protein shake. As you can see, when I get home, I hurry up and don't eat before I go to the gym because I get sick if I eat before I go to the gym. I just can't do it. So I just drink my Oxy Shred or my pre-workout, drink a whole lot of water, and when I get home, I immediately eat and go on my day. Okay, so the chicken sausages is cooking. Delicia's really good, y'all. I just got put on these. These are really, really, really good. Really good. No pork. If you know, that matters to you, but these are really, really good. Or I'll do turkey sausages. I've done that as well. Jimmy Dean has these turkey sausages that I like. I'll make those. Okay, so my waffle is cooking now. My sausages are done. I just want to show y'all real quick what we're gonna do for lunch. I'm gonna show you when I prep it. So I'm just gonna do some tuna. Put some extra stuff in it. Chop up some onions, some celery or whatever. Some mayonnaise or whatever. I got some avocado oil mayonnaise. Primo from the brand Primo. It's supposed to be better. Just gonna use that. And this is gonna be our lunch. We're gonna use this with some pickles. Yeah, with some pickles. Or if we have, what is it called? The rice cakes. You can put it on the rice cakes. That works as well. And that's gonna be for lunch. I'm sorry, my breath keeps running up and down the steps, but I'll show y'all mine. Okay, so this is gonna be my breakfast. I got the waffle, my 2 chicken sausage patties. Still finishing my protein shake. Just gonna add a little bit of syrup, just a little bit. And then yeah, that's breakfast. Simple, quick, and easy. 1 waffle is 220 calories. So know that. So I'm only having 1. And 2 patties are 140. So yeah, and then what I say, 12 grams of protein. Much. So that's 12 grams of 10 grams of protein, 12 grams of protein, 42 grams. So I'm already loading it. And then with the tuna, it's 13 grams of protein in each like small pack. So try to get all your load all your protein early in the morning, so it'll be easier. You won't be at night trying to get all your protein in. Because what I'm just starting to see that if you do like high protein, high fiber, you'll start to tone out. And that's what my goal is, just toning out for the next few weeks and see what my body looks like. My body has been kind of at this plateau area, so I know for a fact I need to change up my diet. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, it's not easy. But we're gonna do this, and I'm trying to record it and do this whole thing and take you guys on this journey. But yeah, this is what we're looking like right now. Still early. As soon as I eat, they ain't gonna look like this, but like we want to tone the back out, like all of that. We want to tone the arms, everything. Slim the waist down. We on a mission, okay? But we gotta eat less and less processed food. That's my problem. Before I take my shower, because I need to take my shower, I want to show you guys these vitamins. So I have been seeing this girl at my daughter's cheer, but lately, well, I seen her the other day and her skin looked so good. It was glowing. It looked so hydrated. I was like, girl, what you doing with your skin? She said she been consistent with this. The glowing skin from Ollie. It's hydrated, youthful skin, hyaluronic acid, collagen, and sea buckthorn. I don't know what that is, but yeah, this has a hyaluronic acid, but it's pretty much helping from the inside out. So it says the juicy molecule helps plump, smooth, and moisturize the skin from within to help maintain a youthful glow. When I say girl was glowing, so yeah, I'ma stay consistent on these. I got 2 bottles. Got them from Amazon. Got the collagen in it, all that. So I'm gonna take these for the rest of the month. Keep y'all posted on how these work. Well, might want to try these out. Her skin look hella good.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my